Zayan Zong at medyo matagal-tagal na rin hindi ako nakagawa ng video patungkol po sa pagbabarako. But anyways, and by the ways, my name is Dawn and I am your Inday on board. For more videos to come, at para po ma-inspire po kayo, lalo-lalo na sa mga aspiring seafarers po dyan, baka naman pwede ninyong i-follow po yung TikTok account po natin at yung high vlog page po natin. Anyways, na-miss ko lang yung chikahan po natin. It's almost end of the cruise na naman. It seems like nakakapagod na and I am about to go home soon and very soon. By the way, it's just that muntik na ako may nakalimutan pala. By the way, this video is all about po pa rin sa mga aspiring seafarers po natin na nag-reach out po sa atin. And in this case, yung simpleng chat mo lang talaga. Promise. Alam mo, ewan ko kung nakatulong ako or what, but I'm so happy na binalikan niya ako, chinat niya ako, and of course, I also asked a permission naman din na gagawan ko to ng content. Okay, it's just that in this story, yung tinulungan ko, or it's just like, yung nireplyan ko ng message through this TikTok account, is luckily, and they were very, very blessed, kasi dahil din sa pagsusumikap nila, to make it happen, yung pangarap nilang mag-asawa na makabarko, really did happen. And I am so happy na yung kumpanya na yon, grabe, yun yung isa sa pinaka-idol ko na kumpanya na. I wish I could be there. I wish na one day somehow makatrabaho or makapasok din ako sa kampanya nila. So by the ways, I don't think so na kailangan ko pa siyang i-cover yung mga yung profile nila because they are now starting making content about pagbabarko, and I don't want na itatago ko or ipagkakait ko sa inyo yun, lalo-lalo na sa mga aspiring seafarers po out there, para din may ibang reference din kayo. Kasi ako tamad na rin ako magawa ng mga basic requirements, yun at least nagawa ko, di ba? Pero for any questions na possible yung tinatanong sa sarili niyo or what, pwede niyo rin po siyang i-reach out. Kasi for me, she is one of the kindest person din po na na-met ko. Hindi ko pa siya na-met like personally, but na-encounter through conversation. By the way, nga pala, sa mga nagchat-chat dyan, yung mga matitinong ka-chat, well, pasok kayo sa banga, magre-reply ako. Pero sa mga medyo malilikat yung utak dyan, okay lang. Sige, mag-chat pa rin kayo, pero I don't think so if I could spend a time to patol-patol. Let me share to you one of our convo that really I cannot remember when it was started, but I remember the profile name before. I remember that one. And it's just like, nakalimutan ko lang. Like, simple lang talaga nag-reply ako sa mga, like, nagbigay ako ng idea, something. Okay, it's not that I grab the credit or kumbaga, na ako talagang rason na no. It's all about them. It's all about pagsisikap nila, and it's all about the proper research bago sila pumunta sa digmaan. Kumbaga, parang ganun. You'll have to be prepared whenever you're going to do something. You know? Kasi yun nga, yung pag-i-interview, hindi yun madali. Okay? You'll have to prepare mentally, financially. Yun yung pinaka na aspect. And of course, emotionally. Spiritually din kasi you'll have to pray everything, every step of the way, every decision that you are going to make. You'll have to pray for that and you'll have to ask that to the Lord. And for somehow, a little tip lang, no? Kung magdadasal tayo, dapat specific. Kasi yung din pinagdasal ko lang kasi before is to have a company na safe, maganda yung benefit. Kasi first stepping stone ko lang naman. Pero not knowing na pwede, pag mag-pray pala tayo, pwede naman ding isigad na. Kumbaga, to the top na, wala namang mawawala, no? It's about God will make the rest, and yeah, it's just that we will trust on Him, and then we will work on it also. So look, this TikTok page is under Guy and Mark. Pero sabi po nila, dati po yung Facebook nila is Woki Doki. Pero na-remember ko yung Woki Doki is yung parang siyang hotpot yung profile. Pero pag sinerch ko kasi parang wala na, hindi ko siya makita. But anyways, yung message niya is all about, "Hi ma'am, how are you po? Just wanna say thank you for your help." And pagsagot sa mga questions ko before doon sa account ng Woki Doki. Ito po yung personal account ko po. Gusto ko lang po talaga mag-thank you. And na-appreciate ko po na sobra yung mga pagre-reply mo kahit sobrang busy on board. God bless you more, ma'am. Really, like, shucks. As in, shucks, di ko ma-imagine na ang lakas pala ng impact pag you're very kind enough to be kind to other, kumbaga. Kahit walang kapalit, no? Sa simpleng reply for all of the inquiry. Bakit naman, di ba? Why not? Kasi I remember myself when I started also dreaming about this career na ultimong kaibigan ko, kahit tatanungin ko, hindi sila nagbibigay ng idea. And so, I promised to myself na tutulong din ako sa iba sa makakaya ko. Not financially, But anyways, to continue the conversation, ikaw ma'am, di ko makalimutan kasi sa dami kong message before dito sa TikTok, ikaw lang yung nagre-reply. Diba, nakakalungkot kasi, okay, I don't want to describe kung ano yung pangit sa isa sa characteristic nating mga Pilipino is yung pagiging crab mentality. You know, okay, aminin man natin o hindi, minsan may mga ibang tao talaga like, hindi sila gustong tumulong sa iba kasi baka ayaw nilang malamangan sila or what. But you know what, when I search or when I stalk this page kay J and kay Mark, wow, as in happy ako kasi sa pinaka-top or isa ka sa pinaka-top cruise line pa talaga sila nakapagtrabaho. And for somehow, parang bumaliktad yung mundo. They were dreaming the world or the career that I have right now, na wala sila before, but But without knowing, ako naman ngayon ang nagdi-dream na matry ding magtrabaho po sa kumpanyang kung saan sila nagtatrabaho ngayon. 'Di ba? It's a very, very small world. And what's good with them is like, na-appreciate nila kasi sobrang sipag ko raw talaga mag-reply. At kaya sa mga aspiring seafarers po dyan, take note, magsa-start na po siya na mag-upload ng mga videos po. And for you to get inspired and to get more idea po, paki-follow po yung J and Mark na page. And what I want the most is and what I want